Hi, welcome to the Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin series. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make a policy for the firefighter account to view all records. The DAP plugin can pull attributes from different data sources without enrolling them on CloudAz, and use attributes from different sources in one policy. If you're unfamiliar with what DAP plugin does, we will attach a link to our previous videos in our description. For this demonstration, the firefighter account reserves the employee ID number 0. The firefighter account's password is changed periodically and does not belong to a single person. And the firefighter account is an account with access to view all files in case of emergency. On my CloudAz, I have created a policy called Allow the firefighter account to view. Similar to our previous policies, this policy is also a sub-policy under Deny users to view insurance policy details. When the policy controller receives a request, it will evaluate all the policies under the parent policy and determine if there's a matching policy for exceptions. This allow policy have a subject component with an attribute role equal to firefighter. Alternatively, we could also use the employee ID as an attribute or both. This attribute means the policy will only apply to individuals with the role called firefighter. For this policy demonstration, we do not need a resource component because there are no limitations on what the firefighter account can view. And finally, our action component view. This component dictates the action the subject is allowed it to perform. Let's go to my policy validator. In my policy validator, I have created a test case for this policy. Here, we're simulating the effect of someone with the employee ID number 0, also known as the firefighter account, trying to view the insurance policy details of record POL001. For our policy controller to know which resource component type we're trying to access, the resource type will need the short name of our resource component type. In this case, the employee ID number 0 is the firefighter account. Based on the policy we just created, the policy controller will determine this as an allow action. Let's try another test case with the employee ID that's not the firefighter account. Let's use Amanda Anderson, the junior admin assistant. Since she is not the firefighter, nor do we have any policies allowing her to view this insurance policy's details, she is denied. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs Dynamic Attribute Provider plugin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our NextLabs channel and stay tuned for more CloudAz videos.